All right, guys, we're gonna change the battery on this Hyundai and Kia remote. Okay, we're gonna take a flathead right on top of the remote. There's a little groove. Just work the flathead in, turn it a bit, and it should pop up. There you go. We'll start off with this side. Put this back cover here. Take out the board. And you can just push the battery out. And looks like it doesn't want to go. We can use a flathead. Just give it a little more push and battery should come out. These remotes take a CR2032 battery. Let's put it back in, plus side facing up. Just like that. I'm going to put the board back. Take the back cover. Line it up. And just pop it right back in place. There you have it.